What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to name some of these organic compounds that they are aromatic and all of them have chloro group. First one is benzene ring and we have chloro. So I'm going to call it chlorobenzene. Or you can also call it phenyl chloride. Next one, we have benzene ring, we have methyl group, and its Cl connects to that. So that's why we're going to call it Benzyl chloride. That's the name of this organic compound because this part is called benzyl group. Next one, we have methyl group here and chloride here. So that's going to be 1 chloro, 2 methyl benzene. Or you can say this one is going to be 2 with respect to this one if we consider the whole thing as toluene. You know, toluene is the benzene ring plus methyl group. So if we call it toluene and this chloro connects to that, we're going to call it 2 chlorotoluene. Or you call it o-chlorotoluene. Next example is very similar to this one, but here instead of 1 and 2 we have 1 and 3. So in this case, if we call benzene, it's going to be number 1 and this one is going to be number 3. So it's going to be 1 chloro, 3 methyl benzene. Or it is going to be 3 chlorotoluene or meta-chlorotoluene. Next one, we have a 1 and 4, so it's going to be 1 chloro, 4 methyl benzene, or I'm going to call it 4 chlorotoluene or para-chlorotoluene. That's the name of these organic compounds. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.